Hey, Tigers, I hope you're keeping safe and well. Guys, thank you so much for your support recently, i.e. by smashing that subscribe button in the face with the daily notification alarm bell. Check out that members page, guys, and this video is in dedication to Wally, especially the first clip that I'm going to review, guys. As you all know, I've been reviewing multiple 5-minute crafts, and like I said, this one's in dedication to Wally, who decided to post on the last 5-minute crafts about this one. So thank you ever so much, Wally. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. Do check out the Linktree link in the description box. Smash that like button or dislike button. It's all engagement for me. But without further ado, folks, let's just not go there. Let's roll that intro. Right, guys, what we are doing is we are going to be looking at how to make fairy bread, courtesy of Skajos. Here we go. Already, my trypophobia is starting just ever so slightly there, Tigers. Just starting. If it's them hundreds and thousands put on top of some bread, I'm going to go mad. So we've got some white bread, and we're going to butter it. Okay, fair enough. Spread the edges. Well, you should do anyway. You just shouldn't butter the middle. That's like not normal. Hundreds and thousands of sprig. Jesus. Oh. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Why would you even do it? Whoa. Christ. Ooh. This is part of the 25 incredible stuff for 5-minute crafts, food-wise related, guys. Do you know when you open a tub, right, and I'm telling you now, guys, 5-minute crafts is terrible. Like, as soon as they... it's the second clip in, and already I've nearly thrown up on the first one, and now it's like, Now, why don't you just take off the lid, scoop some out, instead of getting a knife and chopping the container up? Hello, husband.
Hello.
Hello. Are you going to come and watch 5-minute crafts with us? Or are you just going to watch the brain cells leak out of me?
I'll watch the brain cells leak out to you.
Okay, right, guys, that's my husband in the background, obviously. What the hell have you done with that pasta? Quick grated cheese. You need some Parmesan, not Reggiano. Basically, Parmesan cheese. What the hell is that shite? How dare you? I would eat that by the cube. God, what are these notifications coming through on my phone for? Mr. G commented, thank you, Mr. G, on my TikTok, whoever you are. You are now on my YouTube. Anyway, folks, Tigers, all you need to do, right, is eat the kind of cheese that's quick grated by the block. That's what I would do. Then wash it down with some lovely Pepsi Max. Maximum Crafts. Complete cringe. Anyway, guys. Oh, she's got a cookie and she's going to put some cream inside of it. Okay, it looks like a cyst. That actually looked like a cyst just about to be popped. This is a Dr. Pimple Popper special, folks. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh, it's like a cyst just ready to... Oh, except now you're going to eat the contents of said cyst. Oh no, there's only one slice of pizza left. What are you going to... If you are going to do a cheap-ass stuffed crust, you are, aren't you? You dozy bastard. Oh, Christ on a bike, guys. If you want to make stuffed crust pizza, right, you do it... Well, like, if it's homemade, you would do it before you cook it. And if you order a pizza, clearly that's being ordered, guys. What you do is order it with frickin' stuffed crust. Don't be some cheap-ass mofo and start cutting up lumps of bloody mozzarella and bits of crust. Really now? Christ on the bike. I'm microwaving pizza. Pardon me. Alright, but wretched at the same time. How soggy and grim is that pizza going to be? And really, if it was that hot and stringy, you wouldn't be able to hold it like that. Not unless you've got asbestos fingers. If you just remove that fairy cake from the picture, guys, it doesn't look right. It gets worse. It gets worse. The acting in it's terrible. Yeah, and that's what every fucker does. This winds me up so much, Tigers. It really does. And I have, okay, I've done that before, but then you still, as soon as you bite into it, it just splurges up your face anyway. So it just looks like you've had a bit of a busy time. And there's nothing on side. Yeah, you haven't taken a proper bite out of that, you dozy mare. Carambas, original. Okay, what are we going to do with these potato chips and... Oh Christ, guys, you do not need 2 10-pence pieces to rip, oh sorry, United States of America. You don't need cents. One at the back, one at the front. Just they've got a jagged rip line for you to go anyway with your fingers. What's the point? Oh my Christ, on a bike. You could have done that anyway. Dozy mare. Did anyone see the problem with that? Let's just take that back, because either I'm retarded, the amount of brain cells leached have made me retarded, or she's put the bottom bun and the top bun, bearing in mind it's a 2-slice toaster, she wants it toasted on both sides. Why? Just put one in the other side. Christ on a bike. See, it's still toasted. No. And it didn't look that dark when you pulled it out the toaster first time. What's that? Can of dog shit.
What's that? Can of dog shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I announce a new product? Dog shit in a can.
Dog shit in a can.
Love it. That looks disgusting. What the hell on Satan's fettered foreskin is that? What's that supposed... Oh, look at the layer of shit on top there. Oh. Christ, where did you get this from? Netto back in 1990? No, you just get a knife and chop around it, love. What the heck? Babe, since when do Pringles come with cellophane inside for you to do that? It doesn't happen here in the UK, and I'm sure it doesn't happen there in the States. Comment down below, guys. Smash the like button if you've ever opened a can of Pringles with some cling film or wrap that's already inside it. Because over here, in the UK... we don't have that. That's actually quite a good hack, to be fair. But if you've got to do it yourself, no, I'm not impressed. Wait. Why are you doing top and bottom? You've marked the dirt. You've dirtied your surface up, love. You could have put a plate underneath that. Now you're going to have a do people think I'm like completely retarded? Look, we'll take it back. So, guys, right. Tips it upside down so there's not going to be any juices or any oil from the tomato puree mix or anything like that goes on that worktop. Then they slide the frying pan underneath it. Then they're going to put that with flame. How to set your house on fire, 5-minute craft style. That does not look good at all. What the heck? Oh, some kitchen roll, folks, some kitchen roll. What you're going to do, make it last doubly longer by separating it in half. Oh no, you're creating a pocket. No. Oh, I could be wrong here, folks. I could be wrong. Okay, you've done yourself a popcorn bag. That is really, really pathetic. Alright, okay, guys, what you just need to do, get a sandwich bag. Get a sandwich bag. That's copyright to me, 5-minute crafts. Since you keep slamming me with copyright claims and stuff, I'm copyrighting it. So... screw you. Piss off. Anyway, we've got some sugar flakes. So that's basically going to be, guys, not flakes of corn or anything like that, by the looks of it. Alright, maybe a bit there. But it's just flakes of sugar. Demerara, castor, finely ground icing sugar. You name it. It's the flakes that are in that box, love. Do you know what top of cereal boxes? 1 second, Tigers. 1 second. Ouch, I've just kicked my rubbish bin. Right, Tigers. Since we're on the subject of cereals, okay. Oh no, I've got a box of cereals here, Tigers. Let's put this to the test. So here's my open box. Ooh. Now, Tigers, now, leave my open box alone. Now, this is some cheap-ass Aldi cereal. It's my cereal, not my husband's, it's mine. Because it's amazing. But even at Aldi, guys, all you need to do, pull your flaps apart. Ooh. Oh, I say, love, what big flaps you've got. Put your folds in the middle. Oh, look, there's a slit right there. There's a slit right on your flaps. Now, Tigers, stop it. And this bit, this long bit, goes inside the slit. Oh, God, however I say this, it does not sound right, does it? Christ. But there you go. Sealed. Oh. I'll do that again. Stuff it in the box. It's sealed. I'm going to hold it though, because obviously the weight's going to push it out. But you wouldn't stand it like that. You'd stand it like that for starters. So it's completely sealed. Nothing's going to get inside it. You don't need to do this fancy ass folding like a bloody triangle shit. Like that. Seriously. When it looks neater, like that. For everything else, there's MasterCard. That's right, love. Christ. Oh. We've got a taco. That never happens with me because you do sprinkle, 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 put down, sprinkle. You don't need a fork. You've got a hand. Bloody use it. The hand that's holding the fork could be cupping it from underneath because already this hand's already touched the taco shit. So if you 5 Minute Crafts come back with a stupid comment below like, oh, it's so you don't touch it. You've already touched the contents inside of it, mong. Oh, I hate 5 Minute Crafts for the bullshit. Now, this is how a Kinder Egg appears in the UK. For you US folks, on the other hand, this is too much of a choking hazard. No, it's not. No, it's not. Ship it back to America. Don't want it. No. What the hell have you done? You don't pour hot milk with some marshmallows on a Kinder Egg. Are you mental? What the... Oh, that's sending me cold. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. You shouldn't do it, guys. Oh, no. You have not just done yourself a bread version of a freaking Pop-Tart. Oh, babe.
Yeah.
They've tried to make a homemade Pop-Tart that looks like a sausage, bean and cheese melt from Greg's. With Nutella in it. Are you paying Nutella for the advertising? Or are they paying you? You know, what's going off there? I want to know the contract deal. Come on. And I bet you, as soon as you cut that in half or bite into it, it just looks like fake chocolate shit that you pour on ice cream. Because that's what it looked like last time. Oh my God, it looks like a Greg's cheese and onion pasty or something. Okay, it does look like Nutella, but last time it didn't. Oh, a bit of pasta. Oh, we all love a bit of pasta. It's gone pasta. That way. It's gone pasta, love.
It's gone pasta. That way. It's gone pasta, love.
Mozzarella on top. Okay, fair enough. What about sealing it at the bottom, though? Because all the stuff come out. Oh, we love a good seal at the bottom, don't we, folks? Right, what are we doing here? wasting my time doing all this lot. If you are going to put that in boiling water and then cold water to turn it into a flower, then there's such an easier way of doing it. Yep. What the hell have you done? Right, guys, you just need to crisscross it and then like cut out the shape temporarily. Plunge it in some hot water for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and then plunge it in some ice cold water. It should be then easy to peel out and flay out. You can also do flowers, roses out of tomatoes, all sorts. Do not do it. What the hell are you doing? Is that supposed to be an omelette? Because it looks like I've just thrown up on something. That's really creeping me out. That's trypophobia. What the hell is that? Okay, but it's still gross. No. Oh, it sends me cold every time. Jesus Christ, you must stink. You must absolutely piss Enrica garlic. Because that was a full clove of garlic and now you're doing cheesy garlic bread. You must stink worse than a whore's drawers, darling. Whoever eats that, because, oh my God, it will be enough to kill Dracula off at 500 yards. Second-hand garlic sends me cold. Too much sweet corn, love. It looks like something I've vomited before, guys. Guys, if you vomited something very similar, comment down below. It looks disgusting. Is this some... Jesus, it looks even worse. Oh, look at how fake that ham is. Let alone the cheese. Look, 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 look. Oh. Look at the gristly bit there. And the fat streaks there. 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 Do you know what, guys? I don't eat ham. I barely eat chicken. I'm more of a fish guy. This gay likes fish. Now stop it.
This gay likes fish. Now stop it.
Don't go there, you dirty buggers. Shame. Look at the cheese. It looks like plastic waxy Edam. Blech. Give me vintage cheddar. Whoa, what are you doing, love? No, no. Just the thought. Can you imagine if you didn't quite cook it right and you bit into an egg and it was stringy? Ugh. Jesus. What's that shit you put around it? You did. Whoa, 5-minute crafts. Whoa, whoa, fudge. What's all this shit you've put around it? I want to know. You're not telling us. That looks absolutely grim. I would not eat that. Oh, look at how disgusting that ham looks. Guys, that's it, I'm afraid. Wally, that's it. Thank you so much for showing me the video. And guys, I don't know how many brain cells I've lost. I can't compute the amount because I don't have enough brain cells, so therefore that tells you how bad it is. Do not try anything, guys, in this lot of 5-minute crafts. It is diabolical. It's awful. Oh my gosh, a siren's going in the background. Rude. Anyway, folks, don't forget, smash that subscribe button in the face with the daily notification alarm bell. Give it a like or dislike, guys. It's all engagement for me. Check out the new members perks, guys. Oh, chef's kiss, they're brilliant. Who wants to come and play Fortnite, Star Trek Online, Star Wars? Come play with me, guys. Online, it's absolutely fun and it's jam-packed full of missions. And it's like a massive grind, but on an epic level. So, guys, do check out the membership there. And without further ado, I just want to say, stay safe out there, Tigers. Stay amazing and have an epic, epic weekend ahead.